Hi guys, welcome back to the Stylrev channel. Today we're going to talk about how to style whitewash denim to work. I've been a stylist for over 10 years and I do get this question a lot, which is how do I style whitewash denim and make it look professional? So today we're going to show you how you can do that. For this look, I went with a soft, buttery, rigid denim. This is just really comfortable. This one specifically has like a little elastic waistband with a drawstring, which I love because it's giving me like sweatpants. I just feel very comfortable in it. And I feel like if you're going to be working like 8-hour shifts or 8, 9, 10 hours, you're gonna need comfort. So I recommend this, like doing a denim similar to this. Or if you're going for that baggy 90s feel, go and you're doing like a rigid denim, I would recommend for you to do 1 or 2 sizes up, just because I feel like it'll give you that look and feel that you're looking for. So for today's outfit, I'm pairing it with this striped shirt. This is just like a relaxed fit striped shirt, very comfortable, very airy. It's 100% cotton, so you're not going to sweat through it throughout the day. I sweat a lot, so that's one of my biggest things when I'm looking for shirts. Also, I chose to button this top button. You don't have to if you don't want to. I know some people are like, feel like it's claustrophobic. You can leave it unbuttoned. I just always button the top button when I'm doing like a more of a professional look because I feel like it makes you look more serious. This is just me. You don't have to do it. Okay, so we're going to add a leather blazer to this because I feel like we need to add a little bit more of a punch or a little bit more of a polish to this look. So initially I wanted to do more of a monochromatic feel, so that's why I kind of stuck in that light blue. And then I thought maybe doing this stripe will add a little bit more texture, so it'll give you the outfit a little bit more layers. So that was kind of the key when I chose the type of shirt that I did. So with this blazer, I feel like we've already kind of added another dimension to this look. What I'll do now is I'm going to actually button this and then I'm going to belt it because I want to create some structure in this structureless look. So I'm going to add this leather belt. This belt, I honestly took it from another jacket, like a motor jacket, and I just felt like it would be a great belt for this blazer. If you don't have a leather blazer, I would say get one now because it's honestly it's giving. I mean, look at this. It's adding some polish. You look very sophisticated. Like for me, we've already we've transformed this look already just by adding this leather blazer, which I think this leather blazer honestly does wonders for every outfit. So I just recommend it. Anyway, so to finish the outfit off, I'm going to add these applique heels. They're like kitten heels. So it's not too crazy, so you can work all day in it. And honestly, I describe kitten heels as flats because I feel like they feel like that to me. There's like zero pain when you're wearing this all day. I've worn this all day and worked in it, and honestly, it's great. I recommend it. So get you some kitten heels, and it's also very trendy right now. So definitely buy that. Put that on your list if you don't have it on there already. Anyway, here's the look, guys. I feel like I look very business casual, very professional, very demure. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment on the bottom. Also, if you would like to see more styling tips, go ahead and subscribe to the Stylrev channel. Yeah, that's all. Bye, guys.